guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new here, welcome to the family. My name is Esther Ogala. Hit the subscribe button, like this video, and also share. Today we're looking into best tools for editing a YouTube video. If this is something you want to see, please keep on watching this video. So I'm going to be breaking down these editing tools into two. First would be tools that you can use on your smartphone, and the next one would be tools that you can use on your laptop. Let's dive into some of the beginner friendly editing tools. Notice the keyword beginner friendly. So trust me, this is one easy tool you can use, and some of them I'll also be giving are free. However, some of them you have to pay to remove the watermark. Let's get straight into video editing tool one, called iMovie, and this app is only for iPhone users. Yeah, so if you have an iPhone, any of the iPhones, trust me, this app is free. All you need to do is go on your app store and download iMovie. It's spelled I-M-O-V-I-E. So I'm going to be leaving the icon somewhere around this video just to aid recognition when you see it on the Apple Store. This app enables you to adjust clips. Trust me, when you're making a YouTube video like this one I'm making, there are plenty mistakes, there are plenty all that I have done, and I would not add it to my videos because I mean you guys aren't supposed to see some of these bloopers. That was one. It allows you to add music. It also allows you to zoom in, zoom out. It also allows you to add effects, special effects. So if you intend to use your smartphone to vlog and your smartphone happens to be an iPhone, feel free to use the iMovie Maker for free. Second would be Filmora. Filmora is spelled F-I-L-M-O-R-A. Filmora. So Filmora was one of the editing tools that I used when starting up my YouTube channel, and it was actually recommended by a YouTuber who happens to be my friend at the time that I was in Kano. It wasn't a stressful app. It was really easy to navigate. It also would help you cut your clips in case you need to edit, you need to take out some things, which obviously you would have to do. It also helps you to add music. Filmora is also a good one.
Next up is the VN editor.
This app is I love this app, trust me, and it's a recent app. It's a 2022 app. This app is baked with advanced editing tools. Trust me, you can freeze your videos, you can add backgrounds, you can add filter, you can crop, you can cut, you can zoom in, you can zoom out, you can do a whole lot of it. Plus it is packed in a intuitive user interface. Trust me, this app is a must for Android or iPhone users. If you guys can see the excitement I have on while talking about this editing app, no ads, but this app is genuinely a no-nonsense app that is packed with multi-advanced tools. Trust me. So I recently found out this app, and it is of no use keeping it to myself without letting you guys know about this app. So next up is Viva Video, and Viva Video is not free. It also is a watermarked video editing tool, and once you pay for it you can access every feature in it. And that's it for the smartphone editing tool. Next up would be the laptop editing tool. In this case, I would like to refer to it as a software because you cannot have it on your smartphone. You know how you go to your app store or your Google app to just download apps and use them on your mobile phone. In this case, you cannot. This only can be accessed when you install it on your laptop. And the first will be Adobe Premiere Pro. So if you already know your way around editing, I would assume, yeah, Adobe Premiere Pro shouldn't be hard for you to navigate. I started using Premiere Pro as at the time I already got used to my smartphone editing tools, right? It didn't take me too long to hop on Adobe Premiere Pro. Now the final one would be the Final Cut Pro. So this is also an editing software that allows you to edit your videos, your YouTube videos, of course, like a professional. And you can also use this software for your side hustle or your actual job. Should in case you want to be an editor, a professional editor, you can also use this software. This software actually allows you to try for 90 days, and at the end of these 90 days you have to pay a certain amount for you to continue using the software without being watermarked. So if you want the watermark to be taken out, you have to pay a certain amount after your 90 days trial. So these trial days, of course, allows you to know how the software works, if it works for you, to try out all the features that the software has. And that's it for the editing tools on software. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Trust me, I did, because my eyes is always lit anytime I'm talking about things like this, you know, and how to help other people. Let me know in the comment section below which of these apps or software you would be using or have even tried and you're finding it hard to navigate. And who knows, I might as well do a tutorial for you. I'll see you guys in my next one, but before you go, please and please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe to my channel, support this ministry. Yeah, it's a ministry. I mean, support this channel. I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, keep on being amazing, keep on being fantastic, keep on being fabulous, and do not forget to do you. Love and light always, guys. Bye.